With over 50 million Americans suffering from some form of arthritis, knee replacement is a common procedure. More than 500,000 knee replacement surgeries are done each year in the United States. Chances are you are considering this operation because you have chronic pain from knee arthritis that causes significant limitations in your everyday activities. The goal of this program is to help you understand your treatment options and to educate you about knee replacement surgery. It will provide you with information about what to typically expect before, during, and after total knee replacement, and show you how you may be able to have less pain and live a more active lifestyle. During this presentation, we will discuss the following topics: knee anatomy and arthritis, treatment options, preparations for surgery, risks and potential complications, the surgical procedure for total knee replacement, and post-operative activities. Please review this information with family and friends and write down any questions you may have. And as always, please talk to your doctor if you have any questions or concerns.